That's me. I'm 10 years old. Can you imagine anybody being called the rednecks now? Not in today's world. Those were the first $4 that I made on my first business, Doug Oliver Development. My mother. That's in like 2007. I used to buy all my shingles for all the contractors I work for. I put $10 million on this card, more than $10 million on this card in 5 years in materials. The day I signed with Ray-Ban, now Meta, is all fucked up. Public adjuster. That tree took out 2 houses. ...2007 picture when I started. I took this on, it was used on a website in 2014. Right there, I think it says April 2014. This is where the appointments go on the board. Board hasn't been updated. I'm electronic now, but 2 computers, and then I can use this one up here when I have people in my office going over what I'm seeing on the computer. That's the office tour. Peace.